Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to meet Phantom. Before we begin, please ensure Phantom is in an upright position. Now, cut the protective seals on either side of the outer layer. Gently slide the casing and the cable box away from you, freeing them from the outer layer. Now cut the protective seal of the cable box to unbox the remote. To reveal Phantom, cut the protective seal to the front of the casing. Remove the sleeve. Carefully place your hands underneath the body, avoiding the woofers. Connect the power cable at the rear, then plug Phantom into a power socket. Start listening instantly using Bluetooth or download the Devialet app for Wi-Fi setup. Please note, Phantom likes to be kept on a stable surface close to the wall. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have a great time using Phantom.